So car season is fully in swing here. We've been to loads of events already. People are chopping and changing, buying new cars. We're super busy, the phone is ringing, emails are coming in, and we are supplying cars to people. So we thought, why not point the camera at us for the day and just come behind the scenes and see what we get up to day to day.
I don't know why, but I did a reel on this, and it's like my most viewed reel ever. And I keep getting loads of new followers, which is interesting because you do a GT3 RS reel and you get about 8 views and no engagement. But it just goes to show that cars that are actually fun to drive and nice to drive and enjoyable to drive every day, such as the Tiguan R, people love. Yeah, it's like nice spec. Over here you get like the, what they call it, race tech, or like Alcantara seats is standard. You don't get heated rear seats. I don't know whether it's people are interested in importing cars from Japan because the yen is weak at the moment. I don't know why people are so engaged by it, but that can only be a good thing, right?
JDM, bro.
Exactly. So Scott rightly pointed out that these tyres are quite perished on the shoulder. Used to see this on a lot of Mark III Focus RSs with the Michelin Pilot Super Sports that come on these. And I was reliably informed by a tyre expert that if cars do not cover enough heat cycles early on in the tyre's life, you get this perishing because of the way the tyre compound is. And this car's only done 9,900 miles, I think. Yeah, 10,000 miles, and it is 4 years old. So there's a chance that this early on in its life sat and did very little mileage or no mileage at all. And then as a result of that, you get this perishing on the shoulder of the tyre.
BMW in their latest generations are unfortunately well known. They don't have sealed unit headlamps. So there's a large batch, all of them, that do this. BMW know about it, and as a result, they've completely run out of headlights, especially for the likes of the 2 Series, the 4 Series, and the 3 Series. Perfect, because that's loads of the cars we stock. What we've got is BMW have agreed to replace both headlights on this car, but in a very McLaren-esque. They can't tell us when. It might be 6 weeks, it may be over a year. So just airing this one out. Lucky new owner of this, absolutely adores the car, but the great thing is he knows he is going to get 2 brand new headlights as soon as BMW email to say drop it in and they'll fit them, and then hopefully they revise the headlights and they don't do this again.
Big deals.
I wish. We need. Actually, Matt's been doing some big deals this week, haven't you, Matt?
Deals.
Look at the board. The board's got the deals on it.
Paperwork, chaos.
Might be some GDPR issues with the board, but you know.
Yeah, we just.
It's alright, I can blur.
And because my handwriting's so squiggly, we've got a return. Got a Ferrari 812 GTS that is being transported back from Monaco this weekend, due to be with us. Oh my God, it's due to be with us on Monday, along with a new arrival 600 LT Spider. So watch this space. That's for purchase. Someone's already purchased the 812 GTS. Can't blame them. Massive spec. We've got our Steeder Mustang. That is a supercharged manual rear-wheel drive 5-litre V8. Insane car. That sold instantly. With the second time we've had that car, first time we had it sold instantly as well. So very, very rare thing, big build spec. I'm waiting for a GT3 to arrive in the next 10 minutes. Went on a track day with a client on the Wednesday. He bought a GT3 off us on the Friday. So that's got a great story to it.
First impressions then?
Looks amazing in black, doesn't it?
A beauty. That is a nice thing.
It's not too bad, is it?
And it's going to be in stock for 16 hours.
Isn't it funny when you see something else
that someone else has got, you're like, oh, I'd quite like one of these.
And
It feels really
gentleman spec with the yellow stitch.
Oh, there's so much more room in this.
Question is though, does it look faster?
With me driving it, nothing looks fast. People say to me, 901.2, sweet spot in terms of like how tactile and useful it is, because there's so much screen here. And Scott just said exhaust button, and now for life of me, I can't remember where that is.
Sports exhaust system, there you go.
Yeah. On. Normal. Off. Right. There we go. I mean, it is nice in here. Carbon buckets, yellow stitch, lovely, nice matte leather, perforated Alcantara. No roll cage, so you can actually get your bags in there as well as in the front, which in the 992 GT3 RS, you have no space here. The roll cage has a big cross in the middle, so putting bags in the back is very, very difficult. I mean, these are hard to beat, right?
Right, Taycan's just left. We eventually managed to get to the lovely lady into that car. Stunning thing. Good thing is, I've got one more Taycan still in stock. It's not just any Taycan, it is a full launch spec Turbo S. 750 horsepower at the factory. Although it doesn't sound like some of our other cars, my God, it's quick. And just take a look at this thing in the sun.
What are your thoughts on the whole thing and them calling it a Turbo S when it's
I get it. It follows the flagship branding and the models, but yeah, I mean, there's no turbos.
We've been doing lots of events already this year, and some big news for us. As a member of Supercar Driver, I got talking to Adam, and we're grateful that Supercar Driver are going to run one of their drive outs during the summer to finish here. So we're going to lay on some breakfast for everybody. So we were just shooting a photo today to give them to put on the event, which I'm so excited about. That's a really, really big deal for us, is hosting someone like Supercar Driver and all of their members. So very, very excited for that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's really just what we get up to day to day, which it probably looks very glossy from the exterior and very all under control, but it can be quite frantic some days, and it goes without saying that we're always very busy, and you just get to witness all of the moving parts here when it comes to payments, preparation, appraisal, invoicing, handovers. So,
and a bit of fun between as well.
And well, we always have fun. That is the key. We enjoy it. This does not feel like work. Of course it's stressful, but I think everything is. Life is stressful, but 100% it doesn't feel like work, because every car that comes through feels like a little personal project car of doing what's required to get it 100% and at our retail standard, which is why my own cars kind of get forgotten, I think, because there's such an enjoyment with ordering the parts, getting them installed and seeing the finished product. And that's what we want to show you, is what we're doing and our preparation level and the service we try and deliver. So if you enjoyed this, let us know, because it's really important, the feedback below, of if you want to see more, give it a like, whatever, all the usual stuff. Subscribe to our channel, and we'd love, if these are popular, we'd love to do more of these and show you the day-to-day runnings and what we get up to. So thanks for watching.